Hello home bakers and welcome to DrMummyCakes channel. This is a cake decorating video where I will show you how to create chunky letters, which are two-dimensional letters which look great for decorating your cake. So to get to this step, I've already kneaded my fondant and then I've rolled it flat on my silicone mat using a silicone rolling pin. So if you don't know how to get to this step, I'll put up a video showing at the top of your screen so you know how to prep your fondant. So let's get started. To create the chunkiness of your letters, you want to cover your fondant with a layer of cling film. One tip I will say to you is don't roll your fondant too thin. You want it to have some depth to it. The role of the cling film here is to give your letters a slightly raised effect when you use your cutters, as opposed to if you were just to cut it straight onto the fondant. Now make sure that you press gently. You want to just mold the cling film over the fondant, but not hard enough to cut the actual cling film through. I like to go over again with the letter cutters after I remove the fondant to make sure that I've cut things nicely. And once I've done that, I will then gently peel off the excess fondant. Again, it's a good idea to roll a nice generous piece of fondant from which you can get 3, 4, 5 or even more letters. It's all about working smarter, not working harder. So this is the three-dimensional letters which will look great on your cake. There you see. So this is a nice way of creating a fondant decoration that will look good on your cake. So I hope that you will try this out next time you are making a cake, or should I say next time you are decorating the cake. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, can I ask you to please hit the subscribe button. I have lots of tried and tested cake recipes which are perfect if you are new to baking. I also have great cake decorating videos that will show you how to make amazing cake. So you don't want to miss out. Please click the subscribe button now and turn on all notification bells so that you will be notified when I post a new video. Thank you for watching. Happy baking, happy cake decorating. I will see you next week. Yes, next week, because I post a new video every week. Thank you and bye-bye.